equals your Lenovo Yoga 730 just won't turn on. We're Kelatos IT, experts in technical repairs. We pick up your device right from your door, run a free diagnostic and send you a quote before any repair. No calls, no travel needed. We're located at Calle Joaquin Maria Lopez 26, in Madrid. Link in the description. Your device won't power on due to issues like a dead battery or internal faults. Our technicians will carefully diagnose the problem and replace any faulty components to get your machine working again. If you don't want to risk it yourself, at Kelatos we pick up, fix and deliver right back to your door anywhere. Link in the description.